Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Nursing Educator. Today we are going to discuss regarding the important questions from GI tract. To the first question, how does food move through digestive tract? Options are option A by gravity, option B by wave-like muscle contraction, option C by cilia, option D by chemical absorption. The correct answer is option B by wave-like muscle contraction. Wave-like muscle contraction helps the food to move through digestive tract. Next question, where does most of the digestive process takes place? Options are option A stomach, option B large intestine, option C small intestine, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C small intestine. Food is broken down and transported through the intestinal wall to other part of the body. Question number 3. McBurney's point is associated with option A spleen, option B trachea, option C larynx, option D appendix. The correct answer is option D appendix. McBurney's point is associated with appendix. Question number 4. Invertogram is one of the diagnostic tests in option A anorectal anomalies, option B diverticulum, option C pyloric stenosis, option D intussusception. The correct answer is option A anorectal anomalies. Invertogram is one of the diagnostic tests in anorectal anomalies. Question number 5. Helicobacter pylori bacteria is responsible for options are option A meningitis, option B pneumonia, option C peptic ulcer, option D typhoid. The correct answer is option C peptic ulcer. Helicobacter pylori bacteria is responsible for peptic ulcer. Question number 6. Currant jelly stool is a manifestation of options are option A anorectal malformation, option B pyloric stenosis, option B C intussusception, option D tracheoesophageal atresia. The correct answer is option C intussusception. Currant jelly stool is seen in intussusception. Question number 7. Which is the best test for detecting liver dysfunction? Options are option A SGPT, option B serum albumin, option C prothrombin time, option D serum bilirubin. The correct answer is option D serum bilirubin. Serum bilirubin is the best test for detecting liver dysfunction. Question number 8. Inflammation of the tongue is known as options are option A gingivitis, option B gastritis, option C glossitis, option D stomatitis. The correct answer is option C glossitis. Inflammation of the tongue is known as glossitis. Question number 9. Inflammation of oral cavity is options are option A glossitis, option B oophorytis, option C stomatitis, option D gingivitis. The correct answer is option C stomatitis. Stomatitis is the inflammation of the oral cavity. Question number 10. Vitamin supplementation needed after gastrectomy is options are option A vitamin D, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin E, option D vitamin B12. The correct answer is option D vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 supplementation is needed after gastrectomy. Question number 11. Vermiform appendix is the part of which organ? Options are option A duodenum, option B ascending colon, option C ileum, option D cecum. The correct answer is option D cecum. Vermiform appendix is the part of cecum. Question number 12. Cause of dumping syndrome include? Options are option A gastrectomy, option B esophagectomy, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Correct answer is both A and B. Means gastrectomy and esophagectomy will cause dumping syndrome. Question number 13. The action of drug ranitidine is? Options are option A adrenergic, option B H2 receptor blocker, option C proton pump inhibitor, option D beta agonist. The correct answer is option B H2 receptor blocker. The action of ranitidine or Randac is H2 receptor blocker. Question number 14. Dietary management of ascites is? Options are option A restrict sodium intake, option B restrict water intake, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. Option C both A and B the correct answer. Means in the case of ascites, the patient should restrict sodium as well as water intake. Question number 15. Activation of which of the following leads to increased peristalsis? Options are option A sympathetic stimulation, option B ACE inhibition, option C RAS activation, option D parasympathetic stimulation. The correct answer is option D parasympathetic stimulation. Parasympathetic stimulation will cause increased peristalsis. Question number 16. Inflammation of gum is known as? Options are option A glossitis, option B gastritis, option C stomatitis, option D gingivitis. The correct answer is option D gingivitis. Inflammation of the gum is known as gingivitis. Question number 17. Which of the following findings suggests peritonitis? Options are option A pain at McBurney's point, option B curling sign, option C rebound abdominal pain, option D Cullen sign. Spelling mistake Cullen sign. The correct answer is option C rebound abdominal pain. Rebound abdominal pain indicate peritonitis. Question number 18. Main clinical symptom of hiatal hernia is? Options are option A dysuria, option B hematuria, option C heartburn, option D vomiting. The correct answer is option C heartburn. Heartburn is the main clinical symptom of hiatal hernia. Question number 19. Side effect of omeprazole is? Options are option A constipation, option B itching, option C diarrhea, option D heartburn. The correct answer is option A constipation. Question number 20. Hematochezia is seen in all except? Options are option A anal fissure, option B lower GA bleeding, option C hemorrhoid, option D upper GA bleeding. The correct answer is option D upper GA bleeding. Question number 21. Richest source of energy among the following is? Options are option A rice, option B cereals, option C glass of milk, option D glass of orange juice. The correct answer is option D glass of orange juice. Question number 22. Particular smell of fecal matter is due to? Options are option A hydrogen sulfide, option B indole, Option C, both A and B. Option D, bilirubin. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. The smell of fecal matter is due to hydrogen sulfate as well as indole. Question number 23. Which of the following is a cause of acute pancreatitis? Options are option A, high triglyceride level, option B, gallstones, option C, alcohol consumption, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. High triglyceride level, gallstones, alcohol consumption will lead to acute pancreatitis. Question number 24. Other name of vitamin B12 is? Options are option A, cyanocobalamin, option B, thiamine, option C, biotin, option D, riboflavin. The correct answer is option A, cyanocobalamin. Question number 25. Most common site for intestinal obstruction is? Options are option A, jejunum, option B, duodenum, option C, cecum, option D, ileum. The correct answer is option D, ileum. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Thank you.